Today we're going to be DIY Dodge Caliber Jeep Compass Jeep Patriot 07 to 17 2.0 Harmonic Balancer Replacement, aka the Crank Pulley. You got the car, man, sending you and yours nothing but love and peace, coming straight up out of the RVA, and I can't wait to bring this brand new DIY straight to you. So sit back and relax, we got it from here. It's time to roll, baby. Woo! All right, go ahead and disconnect your negative battery cable. All right, guys, we're supposed to have a dust cover right here. Clearly not there. It looks like someone must have broken it off, but it's just two plastic clips. Remove them and let's move on. What we're looking at here is a serpentine belt tool. It's the black tool that's sitting in front of you, and you watch, it's going to go on up here and it's going to connect. It's sitting on top of the actual tensioner. This is the way I would recommend doing it. A lot of people just put a wrench up there. Sure, you can do that, no problem. This just makes it super convenient. The aftermarket ones have a 15 millimeter bolt head and the OEMs have a 16. I don't know why they do it like that, but for whatever reason. Anyway, this has an aftermarket on it, and really all you're doing is just pulling it to you. This is coming towards the front of the car. You can see it right there. I'm not going to smash my camera out of the way. And if you take a look right here, that's all you got to really do it, because on this particular car, you can see that that's actually already torn up. I've never seen that on a harmonic balancer, period. So I'm not sure what caused that, but that's all there is to getting the serpentine belt off. I'm sure that's going to be a problem here in a second. We'll see if we can figure that out. All right, taking a look at this. This is blowing my mind. I've got this. This is just completely, the dampener is completely gone. I mean, there's nothing there. There's no rubber left. So I guess just the tension of the belt was holding it in place. That's a bad situation to be in, based on the fact that that'd leave you stranded about anywhere you went. I don't know. I don't even know if I can get this off now. See a little oil seal leak. Yeah, that's going to be a little tough. Let me see if I can play around with that and see if somehow I can get that off of there. Okay, let's see if we can just maybe... Oh, thank you, Jesus. Yes, no problem. I guess I could have still got the, looks like it's just going to slide off. Maybe I can get that by hand. Yeah, there we go. Woo! That was luck. That was luck, my friends. Look at this thing. This thing is just some kind of done. Wow. All right. As we can clearly see by the oil that our front seal has given way. No problem. It's easier to go ahead and replace these when they leak just a little bit. I mean, it's just like a maintenance thing. If you're going to take the time to pull one out, there it goes. So once that comes out, just want to make sure it's nice and clean. Okay, the idea is just to kind of sit it in place. Don't force anything. And make sure you got it nice and flush. As long as she's nice and flush. And it looks good to me. Making sure it's nice and flush. Just ever so lightly. I mean, it doesn't take almost any pressure. It's just rubber. So, don't want anything really aggressive. I was just using a 36 millimeter. This is with it nice and flush all the way around. Now we're ready to reinstall the harmonic balancer. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and put this harmonic balancer on. Notice there is a keyway, and no sense in being in a hurry. We can just kind of slide it in. It shouldn't be no problem. See, the last thing we really want to do is we want to make sure that we've made it past or without any interruption into the seal, the rubber thing we just put on. And I'm just going to give it a little bit of, just to see. There we go. See how, you see it's very little. I didn't want to force it by using the bolt. But some people do, and unfortunately it can give you another oil leak because you ripped the rubber seal right back out of it. So you want to do that nice and gentle, and away it goes. Okay.